my 7. I'm ripping in my 7. My 7. My 7. I'm flossing in my 7. My 7. My 7. I'm riding in my 7.
Man, what's going on? It's your boy Ellis Shirot 254. Did I just find the El Camino of my dreams, man? Ellis swapped already. What the name of the color is?
Oh, name of that color right there is made up, can't make it again.
Right. It's that custom.
Yeah, it's a whole homemade brew. It's about 4 different types of paint in there. There's greens in there, blues in there. I forget what else is in there. That might even be some.
So it's a one-of-a-kind paint.
Colors in there, like some pinks or something like that in there. You cannot remake this color. We got enough to paint the rest.
Yes, sir. It's different. I like it.
Yeah, we actually farmed it and tinted the farmer, and it came out somewhat close to this.
Yeah.
So we went ahead and I don't know what people saw different color that came out of the
This swap is perfect for somebody.
Don't buy it now. Don't buy it.
Man, see, I'm broke too. Oh, real? You know, I'll be cursing too. They still gonna pay me. Hey, this might not be suitable for children, nigga. Yes, sir. Did they shave or was it with the tail light? Oh, I'm not that familiar with the El Camino. Oh, they came in a bumper. Okay.
So, if you get some good light, you can put that.
Yeah.
Put them in there. We'll wrap it down.
Yeah, it's easy to do when it's separate.
That project, everything's going to put the
Yeah, and then I was almost done. Like I just got that colors, man. And I was telling them, like, man, I kind of want one more thing. I got that set of 22-inch swings at the house. I need to set them on something. Yeah.
Cut dog?
When I don't want to put them on the colors. I got some 22. I built a 6.0 for it. So I got 6.0, 243 head, sloppy stage, 2 cam. I'm gonna put a 350 train behind it for now. Eventually I'm gonna go 4L80.
Yeah.
And then eventually gonna do the 28 spline axle, put positive in the red. I'm gonna play with that one.
Yeah.
So I mean that should be enough to keep me busy, but I still be like, I want another one.
Because I asked somebody, like, no, this is my toy.
Yo.
I won't even buy though. You know, a lot of people feel like this.
They don't like it. They be like, man, LS don't want to sell nothing. No, I'm not selling my box. No, I'm not selling the G-body. I'm not selling the C10. I'm a collector of fine things.
That's the great football.
Yes. So this, I ain't gonna lie, it would be a nice addition.
He got me off.
He got put me on the payment. He got put me on the payment plan.
I keep everything. He keep me from keeping everything. You know, because I mean they always show up, especially when you dibble and dabble in the lane that we dibble and dabble in.
Yeah.
And we didn't have people come. They need a paint job. You need a paint job? Okay, what you got? Guess how much I charge? Well, I ain't got all that. You got another car sitting in your house?
Yeah.
I mean that's the main thing. First of all, you got another car sitting at your house? Oh yeah, I got this so and so. Well, it may not be nothing to you because it's in pieces.
Right.
I can put it together. I can make something out of it. I take some off your price.
Yeah.
Put that in there. You know, speakers, rims. It really don't matter what you got. You know what I'm saying? As long as you got a way to come in. Yeah, come in.
Something of value.
Exactly.
Yeah, something of value.
Exactly.
Yeah, she's great. Go crank it up for him. Let them hear it one time. Oh man. Seeing is believing. Let them see it.
Let me go ahead and get the keys so they can so on see and believe.
Who lacking it? We gonna
I have no clue. You know, certain cars, certain people's.
Oh yeah.
I know that pretty much everything back there isn't ours, except for
the Century.
That little Century.
Yeah.
That's the good one, little barbecue on the box. Y'all run everything.
It's 2-door with a roof in that thing. I can see the roof from way over here. Like a kitten, boy. Like a kitten.
Oh yeah.
Be a nice little jump start project for anybody. Like they said, they got enough paint to do the fillers. Like I said, it is that one off color, so it's not gonna find it nowhere else.
Fillers good. Anything else you want to paint? If you want to paint the engine cover, that's just certain people's preference.
Yeah.
Valve covers or something like that, it's gonna charge you, but it can be done.
Yeah.
Just to offset the look a little bit, whatever y'all looking for. It's personal. So we actually, even though it looks this good, we probably cut a couple corners, but it's ours. So
yeah.
We didn't do all that extra stuff like that because it's ours. We can do it when we want to.
Yeah.
But most definitely a good starter. I thought about buying it.
But I don't even want to know the price. I mean, I do. I mean, I need to know for the people that don't ask when they see these videos. But yeah, it'll be perfect. Cause like I said, it'll be perfect for me. Cause like it's pretty much already almost done. All I do is throw my rims on there. Maybe shit, I don't even know.
Something with that switch, something staying on, still feeding it. But that's why we got you here.
Yeah.
Kind of get us finalized out. You don't always do that. But yeah, always or not, it's not a good thing. So, but it's a darn good, more than a good start.
Yeah.
I've seen way worse jobs than this here.
This is definitely good where they want to be. A lot of people be asking my LS swaps are looking for just old school cars. You got the best of both worlds, a swap and an old school, fresh paint.
And you sitting on offsets, people sat in the back, which they.
But they said, how wide it is?
That's a whole 12.
Yeah, I know. That's 12. Shit, that's wide. Well, that's what, it gotta be like 295, 300, huh?
Got the air shocks in the back.
Let's see the other side.
Not flare to fitness, but tuck the lip back here.
295.
Tuck the lip back there and put some air in the air shocks.
Yeah, 295. That's the same thing. Them wheels I put on the C10 is wide as shit like that in the back. 295. It definitely give it a different look. You know what I'm saying?
Bed liner. I mean, whatever.
Like I said, it's definitely a good start. I mean, I don't know if I'll be in like a lot of box Chevy and other group stuff, man. People be asking the grip for something that's probably ain't even been touched the way that this has. You know what I'm saying? Get your dash cover on here. Slight interior pieces. Cause he told I ran into him at the yard. I was like, I got an Elko. I was like,
Price.
I need to come see that.
Hey. Price.
Exclusive. She ready to. She's ready. About 6. 6 can get you in the game.
That is that's way below. The interior basically done.
Yeah.
But throw stuff together in there, finish it off, overlay or a whole dash. I like putting a whole dash.
Yeah.
But for the beat and value.
Oh yeah. Most definitely. Most definitely. If y'all already got something, think about getting something, y'all don't want to do the swap yourself. Y'all know you you probably looking at about 6 for about the swap by itself. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, fresh paint,
And on top
the
of that,
rims
man,
on
you know,
it.
if you really want to play with it, it's not like it's not already set up for you. You can take it out, do
Yeah.
your little bedazzling or whatever this and that, and go ahead and slide it back in and do whatever you're gonna do and however you're gonna. But you got more than the start. You got to go look for an LS. You got to make sure the wire harness is cut. You got to do this and that.
Yeah, all the headache.
And be done. Teach them a real kind of OCD with how they like their motors like that. So you got time to pull it out, get OCD with it. You know, take the bedazzle and put it back down in there. But for the most part, you still show stopping when you go somewhere.
All the pieces are there. So that box, the blue one, people still be like, oh man, that's a nice color. Hey bro, but it ain't even painted yet. This is like the previous guy's paint over here. What I'm saying, it still look decent, but I guess it was the silver was coming through with some spots and whatever. Like I said, but no matter where I go, still people be like, "Say man, that's a clean car." Woo, woo. So like you and the, like for other car guys, they might notice. You know what I'm saying, because they nitpick about stuff like that. But you know what I'm saying, to the general public, they just see a clean old school. That's all.
Because you know, they got certain preferences for not, but at the same time, man,
It's all about what you want.
I got a 16, man. It looks like crap.
Yeah.
Runs real good. Every time I go, somebody's like, oh, that's a nice truck. I'm like, that's all. That's why you staring at me. I almost got beat up. Looking at me all crazy.
Right.
You know, it all depends on if you're a car enthusiast or not. You can see beauty in anything.
Right. See gotta see the vision.
It's just like a woman. They come in all different shapes and sizes, but you gotta be able to see the beauty.
Alright man, we back with another one. This one is also for sale. Y'all better act quick on it. Hey, I'ma tell them. Hey, they better act quick on this one, cause I think I'm falling in love. Yeah, sorry. What year this is? 86. 86. Yeah. What was the last year? 87?
I think 88.
88 was? There's like all the pieces is there, man. This is not like the last one, you know what I'm saying? You gonna have to put a little blood, sweat, and tears into this one, you know what I'm saying, to bring it all the way together. But once you get there, dog, '22s, the adapters on there. This is what we call it. This is what we call a head start car. You know what I'm saying? Get a head start. The other one is like finish line type thing. All they gotta do is hood and a couple more things. This is a real head start. Except the other one complete. This is a starter pack. Starter pack. Yes, sir. Huh? He's done?
They ain't at the house, but they
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, seats is already done. You know what I'm saying? You can have this custom seat right here. We'll throw this one in. You know what I'm saying? For free. Throw that custom seat in for you right there. You got the windshield, everything, man. Everything is here for the car. You're just gonna have to put it together. I really don't want to tell y'all. I want to ask them the pricing in, but I want to ask them off camera so I can have first dibs. But I ain't gonna do y'all like that. I'm gonna let you know.
I like to make it down.
Let them pick a price.
Okay, let them get one.
All right, so we're gonna do it like this. I'ma know, but when this video drop, I'ma know now. But when the video drop, y'all put it down in the comments what y'all think the price is, and then whoever's the closest, I might tell you. If it ain't already sold to me. Yes, sir. They say he's not sure what it is. It might be that idler pulley know what I'm saying? Squeaking is that's small baby stuff. Baby stuff. The drive-by wire. You know what I'm saying? Without those y'all that like that drive-by wire. LED lights all the way around. Daytime running joints. If you was ever looking for one, this is it. What Michael Jackson say, this is it. They just the same size all the way around. They're not staggered like the other one was. Dual exhaust is dumped up under there. See right now. So they gonna hear you coming. They gonna hear you coming. Yeah, man, y'all trying to get y'all heads up, man. I already got 3. Y'all gonna make me add a 4th one. Stop playing. Yeah, seats is done. As you see, they're doing the centerpiece right there. But like I said, it's a head start. We're giving you the keys to be successful, but you ain't all the way there until you put in some work. Cause anything worth having, you gotta work for it. So, but this is a nice ass head start. He said all the pieces there? Yeah, all the pieces there. So ooh, look at that light hitting that bitch. Boy, y'all better turn y'all off, boy. Y'all
Hey, a lot of it's brand new.
Yeah. As you can see, he got them new in the box. You know what I'm saying? New bevels. You know what I'm saying? They come with the fabric. You said this for the seats or just the interior? This for the interior?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you get the fabric for the interior, you got your dash, everything, man. Everything. So, y'all drop a price down in the comments below. And y'all let me know how much this G-Body El Camino is going for. I'll let y'all know even if I buy it first, you know. I'm gonna give y'all a shot though, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all see the video first before I try to go chasing waterfalls. But y'all know we was talking about it. I think my boy Classic was like, yeah man, find you a G-Body, find you an Elco, and just stumbled across one. So make sure y'all click that subscribe button. Make sure y'all click that bell, man, so y'all don't never miss another one. Could LS be getting a G-Body El Camino next? Tune in next time. Remember, identify your weakness and make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely in, productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.